Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will stop automatic updates by taking precise, early steps. Do them now. First, back up the phone fully and confirm the backup boots or restores. Next, turn off all auto-update toggles for system and apps and revoke update-related permissions. Once done, stop update schedulers and uninstall update managers you don't need. These actions prevent automatic download and installation. Make sure to document current versions, because if you need to revert, those version numbers are what you'll target. Now you must interrupt the pathways that deliver updates. This is the complex middle work. Modify your host's file or DNS to block official update domains and verify blocks with a network test. Then freeze or remove update binaries. Change permissions to read-only or uninstall update packages if the OS allows. Also disable background data and auto-update in the App Store and restrict app permissions to network access. Once finished, test by attempting a manual update. It should fail to reach servers. Finish by hardening and verifying your blocks so updates stay stopped. Set up a firewall or router-level rules to persistently deny update domains and monitor logs for any update attempts. Record them in a changelog. Make sure scheduled tasks and services remain disabled after reboots and test on Wi-Fi and cellular. If an update slips through, re-enable updates to let that patch install. Then reapply the blocks. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves conflicts without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.